Hi everyone, it's Miss Allison from the Field Library back to teach you another craft. Today I will be showing you how to make a 3D paper winterscape. So let's get started. Step 1. Look around your home and gather materials. Please make sure to ask an adult first if you can use any of these materials before we begin crafting. For this project, you are going to use 2 pieces of white paper, 1 sheet of green paper, 1 sheet of yellow paper, and 2 sheets of 2 different colored pieces of paper. I used blue and purple, but you can choose whatever colors you'd like. Next, grab glue, a ruler, scissors, and a black marker. Step 2. To begin, take 1 sheet of plain white paper. Holding it vertically, fold the bottom up. Flip the paper to the other side and fold again, making the same size fold. Repeat this process until you have about 2 inches of white paper left over and your folds look like an accordion. You'll need to have a thick enough strip of white space left at the top, as this will be a part of the landscape background. Gently fold the paper in half and grab your glue. Glue your folded flaps together. When you stand your paper up, gently pull at the folded parts to create the base for your landscape. Step 3. Next, grab one of your colored pieces of paper, but make sure it is not green or yellow. I used purple. This will become your sky. Holding the paper vertically, fold it in half and carefully cut on the crease you created. Using one of the halves, cut the top corners so that they become rounded. Once your sky is made, glue it to your white landscape. Step 4. Taking your second sheet of paper, again, not the green or yellow, you will make squares which will serve as your houses. I used blue paper. Each of my squares were about 2 inches by 2 inches. You can make yours as large or as small as you'd like. I made only 2 houses, but you can add as many as you want to your winterscape. Trace out these shapes, and then cut them out. Step 5. Now, grab your yellow piece of paper. Measure small squares. These will serve as the windows to your houses. My windows were about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Make as many windows as you did houses. When you are done, glue your windows to your houses and draw a plus sign on the yellow squares to make them look more like windows. Step 6. Grab your green paper. We will use this to make different sized trees. I drew 3 different trees, a small, medium, and a large. The trees should be triangle shapes. You can draw them freehand, and you can create as many as you like and as many different sizes as you want. Using your marker, draw details on your triangles to make them look more like trees. Step 7. Taking your final white sheet of paper, you will be creating the roofs to your houses and their chimneys. Your roofs should be the shape of a half circle or half oval. Draw and cut out as many as you need. Your chimneys should be tiny rectangles. Once finished, glue both of the roof and chimneys to your houses. Step 8. Gather all of your houses and trees and decide where you like to place them on your winterscape. You can glue your houses and trees to the background of your landscape, which would be the flat part of your winterscape, where your sky meets your land. Glue a house or tree to the crimped pieces of paper to give your winterscape the 3D effect. You can also decorate your background by adding things like stars, people, lights, and more. Have fun decorating your winterscape and creating a 3D winter wonderland. Thank you for watching, and I hope you had a lot of fun watching this tutorial and that you have a great time making your own 3D paper winterscape. Be sure to check out our channel for more fun crafts and story times to come. Bye!